it was a fair bit quieter anyway, I know that. That sounded completely different. It's completely different. That sounded, it didn't sound anywhere near as good. It was different sound altogether. Wonder what my temperatures are like. Whether to go for another one or not. Let's see. Put my keys in my pocket before I lock them inside my boot. Let's check this. 112, 124. Everything's a lot cooler. 82. Let's see what we got. Lots of cyclists about doing my nut in, like, but it didn't sound as good. Whatever, that internal gearing changes the sound of it, which I didn't expect. So let's see what we got. I'm interested. It didn't seem as fast, like, but well, we'll see. Stop. Read. 140. So we're nowhere near as fast. We'll let it run in for a wee while, and I'll try one more run. See what we get, but I'll try coming down the gearing. Maybe 1 to 1's too much for it. I'll try another one. Right, let's go. A bit raggedy. I'm expecting 138, 137, 138 because it was the second run. 139. So either I'm geared too high or I need to gear higher. I'll check the data log to see what way I need to go, but it sounds different. It doesn't sound anywhere near as good as it did before, which is odd. So I knew there was a noise from a tyre, so look, there's the tyre starting to delaminate there. Don't know if there's any other ones going. So I'm going to have to obviously have a look at my data log to see what my gearing is, because there's a big reduction. So it is. There we go. Still, good bit of kit, like. Back to the data log, see what my gearing's doing, see if my RPM's down. If my RPM's way down, then I need to gear back down. If the RPM's too high, but it sounded different. It didn't sound anywhere near as good as it did before with the original gearing in it. It's taken the noise factor out of it, but we'll have a look and have a look at the data log, see if I need to gear up or gear down. If RPM's low, I need to gear down. If RPM's high, which I don't think it is, I need to gear up. So we'll see.